Hello everyone, this is the sixth video of this video series on how to design a WordPress website at local WAMP server. Okay, in our previous video we have designed the resume section. In this video let's design the services section, this one. Okay, now go to your home page and edit with Elementor. And let's copy this section, skill section. Right click on the section, copy it, and come down here, come to right click and paste. Here like this, we have copied the section. Change this skills to services and change the descriptive text and delete these intersections, and let's drag and drop new intersection here and come down here, insert Sina Content Box here. This is the one. Okay, first okay, layout design. For the color, we have to go to here and change it here. Let's copy the color from this divider. Control C and copy this hex code. Come back here and change the color from blue to this pink color. Okay, like this. And let's add some margin to this box, about 10 at the left and 10 at the right, like this. Okay, and then we can duplicate this column, duplicate this, duplicate this, duplicate this. Okay, like this. I guess yeah, margin is too large, so let's reduce the margin here. Margin is little too large, reduce to 5 like this. Copy and sorry, here copy from the widget and paste here, paste style. Okay, paste style, paste style. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the services, and change the icons. Pen, web design. Change icon. Responsive design. fast design. Anyway, like this, you have to enter here it is going for 2 lines. Then let's try to reduce the font size, font size for this title. There is no option for title. Okay, here typography it is 24. Let's try to reduce to 20. Okay, and copy this and copy paste style, paste style, paste style. Yeah, it's still 2 lines. The length is not uniform. This is not what we want. Then let's try to reduce the margin again. 3 pixel. Okay, like this. Copy sorry, Control Z, copy it, paste style, paste style, paste style. Okay, like this. Now we have the same length and uniform length. Yeah, it's much better. The services section, yeah, this is how we design this simple services section. We were using this Sina Content Box Widget, and let's add section ID to this section, advanced setting of this section, and give services. Okay, now it's done. It's good. Now let's preview this. Okay, and if I click on services, it will navigate to this services section. That's it. Okay, and if you have any questions, doubts, anything that you are that you do not understand, or and if you have any better way, you can also leave a comment below. And if you have video, alternative video to this video, you can also leave a comment below, so that other people can also see that alternative video or alternative idea. Okay, that's it. In the next video, let's try to design the portfolio section. That's it for today. Thanks for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon not to miss any updates videos on how to design a WordPress website in 2021.